What initially caught my eye was the fact that it's a global company and that this internship program isn't just a United States thing, it's global.
The Future Leaders Global Internship Program is a launchpad for bold, purpose-driven careers. Our interns are gaining hands-on experiences, mentorship, and exposure to real-world projects that align with Johnson Controls' mission to create smarter, healthier, and more sustainable buildings.
My internship experience was full on. It's not the typical grab the coffee, go print stuff out. I got thrown into things right away. Sometimes that felt a little scary, but I jumped in with 2 feet and got to help lead a lot of really cool comp effort from the start.
I think what mostly surprised me about the internship program is how much we give back to local communities. So I actually had the opportunity to go out and volunteer at one of the local parks by picking up trash. It was really nice to be able to kind of get out of the work office and to really give back to the communities.
Well, I'm really surprised how everyone really loves their job.
What surprised me about the internship program is how hands-on the things that we're doing are. You are directly working on things that are going to get shipped off to JCI customers. It's not just, busy work.
My best advice to interns today is just say yes. Jump in with 2 feet to things. If somebody gives you an opportunity and it makes sense for you, take it.
Don't be afraid to ask questions. There are a lot of very smart and knowledgeable people here. Don't be afraid to lean on them because, that's your best resource here.